It's always good to check the source of data, or, if you're taking a course, the source of information. Who's providing the information, and are they qualified to do so? Let's see if I am. My name is Keith Welch, and I'm the owner of Mooseworks Software, and you can see the link there, and the really nice logo. With Mooseworks Software, I provide custom application development for mobile, web, and web services, and often those three just go together. So many of the mobile apps these days that we have also require web services in the back end and companion websites. At Mooseworks Software, we do it all. I also have specialized in mobile developer tools for quite some time, and you can contact me at keith@mooseworkssoftware.com. If you have any questions about the course, I'll be happy to answer them, and I'm certainly interested in any projects that you may be working on. I'm always interested in seeing what smart people are going to do next. So I actually have 30 years in the industry, and that basically makes me old. I still feel relatively young, though, for an old person. I have over 10 years in .NET. Basically, I participated in the first beta, and I've coded in .NET and C# every day since then. I also have 10 years in mobile development, and my big choice back then was whether I should focus on a Palm Pilot or a Microsoft Pocket PC. I actually chose the Pocket PC, which was a pretty good decision at the time. And of course, these days, now we have iOS and Android, and I work primarily in those. And of course, Windows is trying to make a comeback. Microsoft is really working on it, so maybe they will. I, of course, have worked in ASP.NET and have done so for over 10 years. And I've worked in MVC since the inception of that, and Windows Communication Foundation for web services, as well as, of course, JSON web services. In mobile, I work in iOS, Android. I still do a little bit of Windows Mobile here and there. I also work with Windows Forms and WPF as well. People do still have desktops. For databases, I work with SQL Server, MySQL, and of course SQLite for mobile, and I've also worked in Oracle. And one of the things I did in another life was worked on large-scale data migrations with millions of records and perhaps 1,500 fields in a given table. Really, really big data, and migrating from different big data sources to other big data sources has a lot of challenges. So I've worked in that. For languages, they're what you might expect. C#, obviously. Objective-C for iOS, Java for Android. I also work in C# for Android and iOS using the Xamarin Mono framework, which is really good. I also do VB, and in the old days I did C and C++. Not a lot of demand for that anymore. And of course, for web technologies, I use JavaScript and jQuery and the usual stack that you would expect for a Microsoft web application. So that's enough about me. Let's move on and hit some design patterns.